Hi, folks, welcome to Jiva University. Today, we'll be taking a look at the second card under research, which is research public companies. So, here you have to either put in the domain or the name of the company or the ticker of the company. For example, if I want to go ahead with Pfizer, either I can put this or the ticker of the company. EF. Now you have to put in your company's value proposition. For example, we are into AI. And just go ahead and click enrich. It will take a few moments to fetch you details, and here we are. First, we have the financials. It will give you the revenue of the company, the earning per share, the performance of the company. Here we have the growth and focus areas of the company. You can also explore the SEC report, which will give you the latest updates about the company. We also have access to annual filing. It will give you the growth and focus areas. It will give you the recent acquisitions that the companies may be going for or has done. It will give you a gist of the activities that the company has been doing in recent times. It will also highlight the struggles and issues of the company for you. And lastly, we have key insights on what the financial metrics are, what are the competitive landscape specified, or the competitive landscape, the risks and challenges that the company faces. Also, you have an outreach angle. For example, if you want to outreach to Pfizer and go up to Pfizer and pitch about your product, it will give you a headline on how to go about it. So now if you have a list of such domains and companies, here you can download the template and put in the information and then upload it. You can find all of these under the activity section to the bar to your left under companies list. Here. Thank you so much for watching.